know that your girl's Etsy shop is up and running, so please go check the links in the description box below. Go check out my shop and, you know, like, buy something.
Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a different video, very much more instructional. So we're at my kitchen sink and I'm going to be showing you how I clean off my utensils. Utensils sounds like forks. My implements, sorry. So I'm going to show you how I disinfect my implements. So these are all the things I used for my clients today. So this is what I do. This is my little tray. I got this little tray from the dollar store. Now this little strainer, it's an actual strainer. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. So I'm using some antibacterial soap. And I have this brush. Now this is the brush I use to clean all my other brushes. And I do clean this brush off. This piece, these bristles are super hard. This one is soft and this is like medium. So I made this, okay? I got a regular brand new manicure brush and then I kind of crazy glued on this thing right here. This came from another brush cleaner thing, but I didn't like how it was shaped, so I decided to do it this way because I scrub my stuff like this. So yeah, that's this brush.
Okay, kitties, I'm excited to speed up this part. So all I'm doing is getting the water ready, warm water, and then I'm going in with my antibacterial soap. And I am lathering up the brush and scrubbing my implements. I will scrub all of my implements, even the other manicure brushes that I use. I usually try to save that for last. And I love that strainer because I scrub, drop, and go and keep going through my process. That hard bristle, like I think it's a metal bristle, and I really scrub to get any hidden dirt, anything out of my drill bits. And I scrub anything that had any implements in it, I scrub. So everything's getting a good once over with the antibacterial soap. First thing I rinsed was the plastic tray that I used to hold all the dirty implements in, and then I individually rinsed out everything else that I washed with the antibacterial soap. Okay, so now I have my barbicide here. Now I use a solution of 1 cup. For every cup of water, there's 2 tablespoons, I believe I use, of the barbicide. And what I do from there is all of the now washed implements, they now go into my barbicide jar to be fully submerged for 10 minutes. Those are the instructions given to me by Barbicide. So just follow Barbicide's instructions. In the back of the Barbicide bottle also does tell you their water to barbicide ratio. So just follow what it tells you. And yeah, 10 minutes. I will let you guys know, do not leave your implements in there longer than 10 minutes because all your metal implements will rust. Now while we wait for those 10 minutes to go by, look at this beautiful glitter that is on sale right now at my Etsy shop. Go check it out, kitties. That I used to hold my implements, And that's purpose is so as I'm taking items out of the barbicide after their 10-minute soak, I rinse everything off in really warm water, almost warm to hot. And once I rinse them off, I lay them on that Bounty to dry some more. Then you'll see me go in putting in my metal implements, so those go in next to be fully submerged. And then of course 10 minutes. Do not leave it in longer than 10 minutes, guys. Like I said, your implements can and will rust. So yeah, now I'm just rinsing those off that came out and I lay them to dry. After I have rinsed my metal implements, what I like to do is get another clean sheet of Bounty and just dry off my metal implements. And I usually put them in a separate container. You'll see me go back to my nail table and then put them immediately into their clean implement container. Now, like I said, once everything is rinsed and dried thoroughly, I will then start putting things away. What I like to do is I always put like my manicure brushes in the barbicide first. Then the next thing I'll do is like the cuticle pushers, nippers, nail clippers, things like that. And then the last thing I put in the barbicide is my drill bits. All my metal implements, as soon as I finish rinsing them, like I stated, I dry them and then I put everything away and in its place. The only thing that stays out to dry like overnight, I would say, are my manicure brushes. But what I like to do is I leave them right there on that tray, and then I'll get another sheet of Bounty, a clean sheet, and cover the top down, and I kind of leave them away on the side so that they can dry thoroughly, and then I put them in their clean container boxes. And that's it. That's all, kitties. That is how I go about making sure that my implements are nice and clean and disinfected for my next set of clients. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, kitties, so much. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, and anything I use in my video will be linked in the description box below. Until next time, bye, kitties.